In this video, we will be doing a proof involving two parallelograms, one inside the other. So given EBFD is a parallelogram, EBFD, angle ABE is congruent to angle CDF, ABE, CDF, prove that ABCD is a parallelogram, prove that this outside is a parallelogram. We will be doing the proof here and marking it on the diagram here in several different colors just to keep track. First, EBFD is a parallelogram given angle ABE is congruent to angle CDF. Angle ABE is congruent to angle CDF. Next, BF is congruent to ED. EB is congruent to FD. Both are properties of parallelograms. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. So EB is congruent to FD and BF is congruent to ED. Next thing, angle DFE is congruent to angle BEF because alternate interior angles of parallel lines are congruent. So angle DFE is congruent to angle BEF over here. Now, if you have trouble seeing the alternate interior angles, remember that alternate interior angles make a Z. So that's just a quick way you can check it. Next, angle BFE is congruent to angle DEF. Also, alternate interior angles of parallel lines are congruent. So angle BFE over here is congruent to angle DEF over here. Alternate interior angles of parallel lines are congruent. And again, if you have trouble seeing it, you can make a Z. So now we have a lot of markings on this diagram, so we're going to start marking in red. So next, angle AED is congruent to angle CFB. Supplements of congruent angles are congruent. Angle AED over here is congruent to angle CFB over there. Next, angle BEA is congruent to angle CFD. Again, supplements of congruent angles are congruent. Angle BEA is congruent to angle CFD. I'm going to put it out here so we don't cover up the F, and then also 2 marks. From there, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle CDF. ASA, angle side angle. Triangle ABE, we have angle side angle. And triangle CDF, we have again angle side angle. From there, we have AB is congruent to CD, CPCTC. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So AB is congruent to CD. Then AE is congruent to CF. Same reason, CPCTC. AE is congruent to CF, CPCTC. From there, triangle AED is congruent to triangle CFB, SAS side angle side. So triangle AED side angle side is congruent to triangle CFB side angle side. We're going to go to green. From there, AD is congruent to BC, CPCTC again. So AD is congruent to BC, CPCTC. Now you can see that AB is congruent to CD and AD is congruent to BC. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Reason: if two pairs of opposite sides are congruent, then a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. That is what we have here. So we have proven that ABCD is a parallelogram. It is a very long proof and very involved, very doable. You have to do it probably 3 or 4 times. If you can do this one, proofs become much easier, and it just takes repetition.